Good morning to all of the students. Today we are starting logic and propositions. First of all, the definition of proposition. Proposition is a declarative sentence that is either true or false, but not both. Then it is called a proposition. A simple sentence which may be assigned a value true or false, but not both, is called a proposition. Today we are giving some examples of propositions. Yes, in left hand side I have given example of proposition, and in right hand side they are not propositions. So first of all, grass is green. You can assign a value true to this because we know grass is green. 4 is an integer. We know 4 is an integer, so it can be given a value true. 2 plus 3 is 4. It is false, so that this statement can be given as value false. Again, sun rises from west. Again, it is false, so that these are not propositions. These are examples of not. These are examples of proposition. Sorry, and not proposition के examples. What time it is? It is question. It is not true or false. Close the door. Close the door. It is command. X plus 1 is 2. Means you cannot say it is true or false unless you know the value of x. Similarly, in x is greater than 5, you don't know the value of 5, and you don't know the value of x. So that these are the examples in which we cannot assign true or false to these sentences, so that these are not propositions. Now, compound propositions. New propositions constructed by combining one or more existing propositions using logical connectives are called compound propositions. Means if you connect two or more sentences, they are called compound propositions. Now, truth value. A truth value displays the truth values of compound statement in terms of its components parts. Logical operators. Now, logical operators, we are saying first is negation. लॉजिकल ऑपरेटर्स एंड कनेक्टिव्स. लॉजिकल कनेक्टिव्स कौन से हैं? जो कंपाउंड स्टेटमेंट्स में काम आएंगे, सिंपल स्टेटमेंट्स को कनेक्ट करने के लिए, जॉइन करने के लिए, या नए कंपाउंड सेंटेंस बनाने के लिए जिन कनेक्टिव्स की ज़रूरत पड़ेगी वो अब हम देख रहे हैं. फर्स्ट इज नेगेशन. नेगेशन के सिंबल आप नोटिस करिएगा, दो सिंबल हैं. If P is a statement, then negation of P is not P. Opposite of P is negation. It is not P. Example, it is given: P is walking is good for health. So negation P is walking is not good for health. The truth table is given as P and negation P. If P is true, then negation is false. Then P is false, negation is true. Again, next is conjunction. Conjunction, in simple words, it can be and. The symbol you can identify. Let P and Q be proposition, then P and Q is true when both P and Q are true and false otherwise. You can see the truth table. If both are true, then conjunction of P and Q is true. Otherwise, it is false. So one example is given. Today is Friday. It is raining today. Today is Friday and it is raining today. So this is conjunction. Next is disjunction. In simple words, it is or. It is logical connective by which we can connect two sentences. So you can identify the symbol of or. If P and Q are two proposition, then P or Q is true when at least one of the two proposition is true, so that you can see the truth table. Either one is true, then the truth table for P or Q will be given true. Fine. One very good example is given in this case. Three propositions P, Q, R are given. That is, Jaipur is in Rajasthan, Jaipur is in India, and Jaipur is in UP. P or Q is simply Jaipur is in Rajasthan or Jaipur is in India. This is inclusive case, means uh, either it is in Jaipur or in India. P or R, Jaipur is in Rajasthan or Jaipur is in UP. These two are simple things. Now, if we write this simple sentence in the form Jaipur is in Rajasthan or in UP, this means either Jaipur is in Rajasthan or in UP, but not both. This is exclusive use of or. This is exclusive case. This is important thing. Exclusive or means you are excluding the common part of the Venn diagram. If you are saying that Venn diagram of P or Q means either in P or in Q, but not both. If you remember set theory, we done symmetrical difference of two sets, that is A minus B union B minus A. In that case also we excluded the common part. It has again, if you remember in my notes, I have given A union B minus A intersection B will be symmetric difference of A and B. This is the same case in which we are excluding the common part, so that if or is used as exclusive case, the common part will be excluded, so that there will be given a new symbol that is same symbol as symmetric difference, so that if P and the truth table of this exclusive or is they are true when one of them is true, and false when either both of them are true or both of them are false, so that we are excluding the common part. One more example for this case is P is 3 is an even integer, 3 is an odd integer. So P plus Q means exclusive, or if we use 3 is an even integer or 3 is an odd integer, but not both. This means but not both, so that 3 may be even, may be odd, but it cannot be both, so that this is exclusive or simply P plus Q. This symbol is to be remembered. Okay, thank you.